Let's take 3 bars, mark the middle on each, and divide it into 2 triangles. We cut off both corners of the first bar. Make notes on the second and third. Cut off the excess, and now the bars fit perfectly together. Make a few more notes and use them to drill several holes in the bars with a screwdriver. Now the bars can be combined with each other using wooden plugs. It's simple. What remains is just to cut off the excess and polish the surface. How to carefully fasten 3 wooden bars together. Very simple. We're gonna designate the dimensions of the joint, add lines, and paint over the part that we'll get rid of. We'll make several point cuts with a saw and finish the job with a jigsaw. Two bars are already converging. It's time to add a third to them, but for this you need to make an additional note. Great, we need a notch. We'll trim it a little with a jigsaw. Now we can combine all 3 bars. A little effort and a couple of hammer blows and everything is in place. Just look at this beautiful and unusual design. Now, when working with a saw, you don't always get an even angle. In order to get rid of this problem, we will fasten 2 wooden bars with screws at the right angles. Now you can substitute our design when working with a saw, and the cut angle will always be even. In order to connect 2 boards at the right angle, you put them on top of each other and make some marks. Acting on the labels, we remove the excess. Check whether they fit tightly. And then we smear the future joint with glue on both sides. Here's the perfect mount for you. I think we'll add a vertical bar to them. Outline it and make a notch in the boards in several stages. We'll finally clean it with a jigsaw. Then lubricate the bar with glue at the immersion level and insert it into the recess. Let's help ourselves a little with a hammer, and here it is, already in place. Now you need to cut off all the excess with a saw. We'll polish it, and now we have such an ornament in the place of attachment. Now we'll fasten 2 boards at an angle with a pre-prepared cut. We smear the joint, connect it, and temporarily fix it with tape. Now we'll make notes for the future excavation. Carefully cut through with a stationary knife and then with an electric jigsaw. There are recesses on both sides. It remains to drive small wooden bars into them, and they will be held on ordinary glue. They fit perfectly, not without the help of a hammer. Of course, we need to remove the protruding parts with a hacksaw and then sand for smoothness, reliable fastening, and an interesting ornament. And what else do you need? In order to prevent the bar from sliding off when mounting, screw the screw into the half or length and hold it with a hammer, with a claw hammer. See how easy it is?